Welcome! Today I'm going to be showing you three basic ways we can use to insert an extra worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Three basic ways. To insert a worksheet in your workbook in Microsoft Excel, the first method is for you to click on this plus sign. If you have sheet 1 here, to insert extra worksheet, you click on this plus sign here. Once you click on it, it inserts an additional worksheet for you. So you have sheet 1 and you have what? Sheet 2. So continuously, the number of sheets you want, if you want to insert another worksheet, you can click on the plus sign again. It adds in the third word sheets. Sheets are like pages in a book. So this is the first page, second page, and third page. So we call it the first spreadsheet, second spreadsheet, and the third spreadsheet. Now, the second method that we can use to insert a worksheet in a workbook in Microsoft Excel is you go to your home tab, click on your home tab, then you move towards cells. On cells, you click on insert, click on the drop down arrow and click on what? Insert sheet. And once you click on insert sheet, you can see sheet 4 has been what? Inserted. You may be asking, oh, I want to move it to the other side. To move it, press the and hold it down, move to wherever you want it to be. So you can move sheet 3, move it to this particular location. So we have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and what? Sheet 4. So this is the second method to insert sheet in Microsoft Excel. Now, if you're new to the channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you want to learn how to delete a sheet in Microsoft Excel, click on this link here, and you'll see my video on how to delete worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Now, let's look at the third method. The third method uses a combination of two keys on your keyboard, which is what? Shift plus what? F1. So you just click on Shift plus F1. You click on one of the sheets, click on Shift plus F1 on your keyboard, it automatically inserts what? Sheet 5. So I'll move this here. Okay. Shift plus F11 is the keyboard combination that will enable you to insert a worksheet in your workbook in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.